most you've ever done.
Okay, my happy co-host says action, and we're ready to go. Today in 8th grade math, boys and girls, we are finding the volume of a cone. Now, a cone is very similar to a cylinder, but instead of it's a circle at the bottom with a point that it extends to. You guys know what an ice cream cone is, or other types of cones. Now, you can, for mathematical reasons, I don't want to bother trying to explain inside of a YouTube video. In class, I do a better job. If you were to take a cylinder and a cone with the same height and same radius, 3 of the cones, if you're putting popcorn or rice or whatever, or just water, would fill up one cylinder. That gives you the formula is 1/3 of the cylinder. 1/3 pi r squared times the height. That's how you find the volume of a cone. So the easiest way for me to think of it is you just find pi times radius squared times height, then divide by 3 at the end. Or you can do 1/3 times, it doesn't really matter. Alright, so suppose you know that the radius is 8 inches and the height is 4 inches. Okay, so on the homework, they're going to ask you to use 3.14 for pi. So basically, I'm going to do 3.14 times 4 squared. Sorry, times 8 squared. My apologies. Times 4, then just divide by 3 at the end, since it's a cone. Cylinder would be just this part. The cone is divided by 3. So 3.1, I typed my calculator wrong. 3.14 times 8 squared, or times 8 times 8, same thing, times 4 divided by 3. And I get my answer as approximately 267.95 inches cubed. Once again, they're in cubes. That's how volume is measured, how many cubes fill up, in this case, a cone. Okay, just like with cylinders, if they give you a diameter, just divide it by 2 at the beginning, chop it in half to find the radius. There is one little twist on this assignment, but it's not actually that difficult. What if they give you the area of the base, the area of the circle, is, let's say, 25.6 meters squared with the height of 3 meters. So they tell you how much the area of the circle is at the bottom. They tell you how tall it is, and then you can find the volume. Well, this is actually the pi r squared. So all you have to do here is the pi r squared part, which is 25.6, and I did not mean to put a decimal there, times the height, then divide by 3 still, because it's still a cone. And the 3's actually end up canceling out. The answer is 25.6. So you know what? I want something a little less trivial. Let's change that to a 6. So my answer won't be the same as the area of the circle, because some students will make a mistake there. Okay, that's more interesting. 51.2 meters cubed. Alright, that's how you find the volume of a cone. Good luck today, boys and girls. Any questions, as always, feel free to email me. And if there's any issues in the assignments or anything like that, feel free to email me that. I do know how to check, and I can give you points back if somebody makes a mistake. Someone emailed me this weekend saying the questions were wrong, and they were, and I gave her the points back. So just let me know. Thanks.